I'm waiting for my friend Erica because we're gonna go wherever we can find a nice fitted shirt for my X-Men costume, and then we'll go to Joann's Fabric. What is it that we're gonna do today?
We're gonna return these puta shoes.
Wait, did you use those?
No.
She was just in like competition, NPC bikini, what's up? So she's very fit and toned and delicious. Those of you that don't know Spanish, it's slut.
Yeah.
Yeah, those are like stripper heels.
Yep.
Matter of fact, let me try them on. I do need a job.
Maybe some might be interested. You guys want to buy? $49.99. Almighty Fitness.
Oh yeah, that's right.
Stay fit, my friends.
Stay fit, my friends. What are you looking at bathing suits for,
So you're
girl?
talking about it's hot, man?
Yeah, but I need to put an X on my chest, so like it ain't gonna work on that. How fitted is this Under Armour shirt? And then the yellow. Look at this. I should try this on. So tight enough. Is it? So we're at Walmart. It's tight. But is it enough space to make the X across my chest? I'm liking that one. Not tight enough. Okay. Let's go to Joann's. Let's see what we find here. Wow, there's a lot of fabric. Batik. Oh, over there I see yellows. Okay, cotton. We don't need cotton. Apparel knit. Oh, what is this? Oh, this is soft. Ooh, this is what I need. That would look pretty good. I think this is it. Yeah. Yeah, material like this yellow and this and also and it's
But even
like,
it's like the same material, the stretchers.
yeah, polyester blend. Yeah, perfect. Okay.
A zigzag stitch. So you have enough for trial, error, and then to get it right.
Perfect.
Yeah,
Thank you so much.
So I have cut out the cloth and then sew with a zigzag stitch. Right, we're about to commence this. I can't. It needed to come down lower. I didn't account for my boobs. This is hilarious. It's not even funny. This is so tacky.